as a son of the United States. Those were the words Pope Leo XIV used as he accepted the National Constitution Center's Liberty Medal from the Vatican through a live digital connection into the public ceremony in Philadelphia, becoming the first pope ever to receive the honor in the 38-year history of the award.
As a son of this great country, founded by courageous men and women who dreamed of liberty and of a better life for themselves and for their children, I join you in asking God's blessings upon America's future, that the lofty ideals enshrined at the beginning of the Declaration of Independence may continue to guide the flourishing of the nation in unity, justice, and peace. Today, as we look to the future, this historic anniversary presents us with the opportunity to reflect once again on the nation's founding principles in the hope that America will remain ever true to the dream that has earned it the title of Land of the Free and Home of the Brave.
Speaking to over 1,000 participants and 30 representatives of different faith traditions across Philadelphia that were moved indoors because of the heat emergency, the Holy Father used the occasion to reflect on religious liberty, freedom of conscience, and the dignity of every human person, themes that would continue throughout his 4th of July events.